Are doing well. I am your friends Digital Junaid. So in this video we will learn how we can download Facebook leads which we get through Facebook campaigns. So how we can download from Facebook dashboard. What is the procedure? So please subscribe my channel. Then we will start the video how we can download Facebook leads. So here you can see this is my Facebook ads manager account. So I can show you here. I run different campaigns in my account. Now I just want to download my leads. So we can see in this campaign section there is no Facebook leads download option directly. It's showing this campaign I reached around 11 leads, but there is no download option. Rest you can see callback request, but here I can download. And it's another campaign where it's not showing how we can download Facebook leads. So I just wanna tell you one thing. Here you can see I got it 23 leads during this time period, 1st October to 24 December 2024. But here are still no option I can download the leads directly from this. So what is the solution? How I can download the leads from the Facebook campaigns? So the answer is very simple. You cannot download the leads on this campaign tab. Facebook ads have three tabs: campaign, ad sets and ads. In one campaign you can create multiple ad sets, and one ad sets you guys can create multiple ads as per your objective and needs. Then I can go on this ad section, so I click here. Now you can download your Facebook leads through your campaign. You can see it. So here you can get download option. Now I'm clicking here. After the clicking this, you can see this type of pop-up window, and after this pop-up window you can get this download option here. Now click on this download option, and here are two links. It's showing you are getting 23 leads through this campaign, and you are downloading in CSV and XLS. If you want to download your leads in CSV format, then you can select this option. If you want to download your leads in XLS format, then you can select this option. Now I am going to select XLS option here. Now I will click this. So after the clicking this, you can save this leads data into your private folder of your desktop. Now I save it. After saving it, now you can check your leads. So after open this file, just click on this yes icon. So this is your campaign detail, and this is your leads: email, full name, client phone number, and city, client location. Now you can call these people one by one for inquiry purpose if they need your business or services. So this is the procedure. After generating a leads campaign in Facebook or Instagram, you guys can download your leads through this option, which you can find under the ads tab. So friend, this is the video today. Please do comment in comment box if you like this video, and please subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you friends. Goodbye.